Dear students, today we will discuss about electric potential. So first of all, we should know what is the potential difference between 2 points. So consider a point charge, this is source charge plus Q, located at point O. Suppose this point is O and the source charge is located here. Let A and B are 2 points in its electric field. So let's take 2 point A. Suppose this is A and this is B. These are 2 points. This is the distance from the source charge. Let's take a test charge Q0 at the point A. This is the test charge, this is the source charge. So, when a test charge Q0 is moved from A to B, if we will move this test charge from this location to this location, then we know this source charge will experience a repulsive force against this test charge because both are same charge, plus and plus, so they repel each other. But we want to take this test charge against this repulsive force, and we have to place this test charge to the location B. So a repulsive force exerted by this test charge, and we have to do some work against this repulsive force created by this source charge. So potential difference V is equal to, we know this point B has more potential than this point A because we have to shift this charge against the repulsive force and we have to do some work, and that work done is converted into potential energy at this point. So the potential energy or potential of this point B will be more than potential of this point A. So potential difference, the difference between these two potential is VB minus VA, that is work done from A to B to shift a unit positive test charge. So potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is the work done on a unit positive charge in moving from one point to the other point against electrostatic forces. So basically electric potential is the work done on a unit test charge. So, and unit, what is the unit of potential difference? Unit of potential difference is equal to work done. The unit of work is joule and unit of charge is coulomb. So it is joule coulomb inverse, or you can write work Newton meter, force into distance Newton meter per coulomb. These are two units of electric potential. And dimension, what about dimension? Dimension of electric potential is force, or sorry, work done. The dimension of work done is m1 L2 t minus 2, force into distance, and the dimension of charge, that is current into time. So it will be m1 L2 t minus 3 A inverse. This is the dimension of the electric potential. So this is the potential difference between 2 points, VB minus VA, that is work done to shift a unit positive test charge from A to P. So now what is electric potential? The electric potential at a point located far away from a charge is taken to be 0. So if this point A, lies at infinity, then potential at this point will be 0, because if this is far away or it is placed at infinity, the force experienced here is 0, the electric field is 0, the work done is 0, and the potential is 0. So if this VA is at infinity, its value will be 0. So potential VA is equal to 0 if A is at infinity, and electric potential V is equal to VB. We know V is equal to VB minus VA. Since VA is 0, so V is equal to VB is equal to work done per unit positive test charge. So electric potential at a point in an electric field is the amount of work done. So to calculate the electric potential due to a point charge, we have to take a positive point charge. Suppose this is the positive point charge, or it is a source charge, plus Q, which is placed at the origin O. This is the origin O. We have to calculate electric potential at a point P. Suppose this is the point P, and where we have to calculate the electric potential, which is at distance R from the source charge. Suppose a test charge Q0, unit positive test charge Q0 is placed at a point A, which is at distance x from the origin O, and this is the distance. So this positive charge will repel this positive test charge, and the direction of force is opposite to the direction of this positive charge. And if this point is infinity, we have to displace this test charge to a small distance and to this point B, A to B, and we have to calculate what is the work done. And if this is the small work done to displace this positive charge from A to B, then what is the total work done when this charge is replaced from this infinity to this point P? Then only we can calculate electric potential at point P. From Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon r, this Q divided by this distance, that is x square. A small work done in moving this test charge Q0 from A to B, this is the small distance dx, against this electrostatic force. So the small work done will be dW, that is force into dot dx. It will be F dx cos theta, and the angle between this displacement and the displacement is in this direction, the force is opposite direction, so there will be the angle of 180 degree. So it will be minus F dx. So the total work done in moving charge Q0 from infinity to this point P will be, the total work done will be integration of this dw, that is minus integration of f dx, and the from infinity to this point r. So it will be minus infinity to r 1 by 4 pi epsilon r, the value of f 1 by 4 pi epsilon r q r divided by x square into dx, and minus q r divided by 4 pi epsilon r will come outside, and we have to integrate from infinity to r and x square, that is x to the power minus 2 into dx, and x to the power n, that is x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, the integration of x to the power n. So it will be minus q r divided by 4 pi epsilon r integration of infinity to r and x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 dx. It will be minus q r divided by 4 pi epsilon r infinity to r. It will be x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 dx, or it will be minus of 1 by x is equal to minus q r divided by 4 pi epsilon r from infinity to r minus 1 by x, and we can write it like this since integration is completed, and we have to put the upper limit and lower limit infinity to r. So it will be minus minus is plus, so it will be plus q r divided by 4 pi epsilon r and 1 divided by r minus 1, instead of x it will be infinity, and 1 by infinity is equal to 0, so it will be work done is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon r q r divided by r. So we found what is the total work done. Then we have to calculate the electric potential at that point P, which is at distance smaller. So V is equal to work done per unit test charge, that will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon r q r divided by r divided by q r. So electric potential for a point charge, it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon r q divided by r. And what is this q? This q is the source charge. Thank you.